Hey guys, what's going on? Luke Prophet here, coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we've got a bunch of North Face coming in, all types of jackets. It's gonna be dope, as well as another rail. Let's get into it right off the bat. We got this package on Instagram. Ooh baby, this is a grail going right to the personal. North Face TRANSARCTIC with the Gore-Tex beanie. Oh, upside down beanie with the patch. I'm gonna rock this right now. All right. Oh snap! Starting right off the bat. See those colors? Yeah, we got another. The North Face vintage 1980s toner, purple and turquoise, almost like a minty green color jacket. Anorak, this is amazing. Got this off Kijiji. Thank you so much for that. Greatly appreciated. Oh, we got a full. Okay. Oh. A little more packaging. Okay. It's a lot. Thank you. Okay. Aha. Been waiting on this for a little while. We got a nice vintage Fendi purse. Amazing. Got that monogram all over. I forget what it's called. Zucca. The Zucca monogram. As well as the nice tag on the inside. I'm gonna have to give that one to the mom, you know. We'll see. Up next, coming in from Pitney Bowes, we got a aha. I just filed a complaint actually saying I didn't get this one. Finally! Woo! Vintage Tommy Hilfiger with the turtleneck stripes. Huge crest embroidery. Amazing sweater. Might have to keep this one in the personal. Thank you so much. I'll definitely message the guy right after this video. Yikes. On to the next one. Coming in from Maddie Pierre. I know what this is. Another North Face. We got that blue this time. What type of jacket? Great condition. Awesome. The North Face light jacket. Embroidery on the arm. No ladder locks. Oh, check that out. That is amazing. And the Aztec blue, I believe, is what it's up next. Coming in from RR Restless Resellers, I believe, on Instagram. This is gonna be dope. This is about to complete my fit, which I will haul on after this. We got the vintage Tommy Hilfiger big flag down the side of the pants, track pants. That is amazing with the cuffs on the bottom. That's perfect. I'm gonna go haul this on right quick. Boom, just like that. Turned into a Tommy Hilfiger video. Got the tracksuit on, got from last video with the matching pants. Dope, amazing. Thank you so much. Also got that back spell out. Repping the Tommy hard. You know how it is. We got coming in from Aaron Baker. We got, this is Dugout Vintage on Instagram. Shout out to them. This is dope. Tommy Hilfiger. I forget what type of cap it is. Winter cap. Forget the exact name. That's dope. Quilted on the inside. Let's see if it fits the head. No. Package up next, coming in from Retro Steps, all the way in Vancouver. Huge shout out for this one. We got this dope stripes, but it's not. Yes, it's oh snap, Tommy Hilfiger striped shirt, size large. It's a little bit bigger. That's amazing. Thank you so much. That is so hype. Oh, this might be chucking this one into the personal for a while. Try to collect all. And there's a slight hole on it, so nice. Love it. Alright, into the... Okay. It's okay. I think we got it. Oh no, it's just breaking. Okay. Woo! And we're in. Wow, nice. Amazing. Oh snap. This is coming in from Lost and Found. Huge shout out to you over in Winnipeg. Go check out his site on Instagram. He's killing it over there. We got this The North Face size medium. This is the re-release, the Rage Black color. Might keep this one in the personal, start collecting all these ones. This is so sick. Thank you so much. Greatly appreciate that. Whew. And coming in from, not too sure, but definitely from Depop. It is the denim polo by Ralph Lauren. Aviator denim jacket, size medium to small. These are so dope. And keep going. Just pick up this package from today earlier. Cool. See what we got. What? Oh, got it. There we go. That's why it was so hard. Whew. Okay, we got a vintage Michael Jordan full spread out shirt on a Ravens knit tag, licensed by Magic Johnson. It is so sick. Couple of these on eBay. Appreciate that. On to another similar box. Gosh. Okay. A little double up here. Some more vintage. You see that? Stripe Guess shorts. I already have a pair of these, size 32. Saw these on Depop. Had to cop them. Brand new with tags. Size 38. These are amazing. Got them for a steal. Man, freak the shirts. I'm all about the shorts. These are dope. Thank you so much. To you. Woo. And last but not least, we got one more package. Let's see what it could be. Okay, keep going. Last but not least, coming in from Quebec City, Kijiji, we got the vintage The North Face 90s mountain jacket. That is amazing in the blue colorway. So stoked about this. I believe it's a size large. It's amazing, good condition. A little bit of wear there, a little hole again. Didn't tell me. What a dick. Classic Kijiji dick. Thank you. Awesome. Alright guys, this has been Luke Prop from Prop Product. Thank you once again for tuning in for this video. It's been a pleasure. I want to thank you for all the support, choosing the giveaway right after this video, so that's hype. Thank you for everything. Keep it up, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace!